Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace this. It's very odd, as you can see. I did replace the top one right here. You can see on the back side. It works perfectly well. All I do is just to plug in some numbers and then it closes by itself. And it's super cool, I like it. Now, so I'm going to replace the whole of this with a new one, but this one has a little bit more work today because what I have down here is actually goes through the back side, so I have to drill a hole that is going to go through this other side. So let's see, let's get started. Let's take it off first, and then I'm going to replace it with a new one. This very one, it's basically Chemolat edged bronze, and this is how it looks. The other side is the inside, and this is the outside. You guys gonna like this. Okay, let me get this one off. And I'm gonna use this probably somewhere else. This is when I wanna store it for some other time, for something else. Then, okay, I'll have to push it back in first to make the door open. Otherwise, I won't be able to get out. Okay, there you go. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take off this part. Let me take this one off, but also I can start from here. Take off the bottom one. So next I'm gonna take off this one, which I had already started unscrewing. This one right here, this looks good. It's just rusted a little bit, but still works. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm gonna take off is this one here. Take that one off real quick. I'm gonna use this one here. This one is just dancing on it, not a good one. Just use my ball. It's very hard. Okay, it comes off. Still perfectly looking good. I can still use this one for another place. Okay, now we are ready to install. But before we do that, I showed you that basically this has some, it doesn't match perfectly exactly because I have to drill something down here. Let me show you what I mean. So this is how this one looks like. You can see I have to drill a hole just because of this part, but when I put in, it's how it's gonna sit in like that, but I'll have to drill something a little bit lower and match everything basically. So let me make some measurements and then I'll drill and we can install it. So I'm gonna use this drill bits, one of it, to try to match. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. Be careful a little bit. I'll probably start with a small one first. Just a small bit. Then I can expand. Okay. Let's see. You can see this one is quite good, but a little bit small. So I'm gonna go in again with a little bit bigger one. So let's do so. The next big one. All I care about is just as long as this one can fit in. So just a little bit more. Use this one now, this bigger one. Just slowly. And obviously it's going on the other side, just make sure it goes through. You can see there's not any mess, comes out clean, and that's looking good. Of course there are other drill bits that you can use that works better than this one, but you know, you gotta work with what you have. Okay, I think this one should be able to go in. Let me try. If it doesn't, I have a bigger one. Okay, this one doesn't, so I'll have to do one more. So I'll go to the next drill bit. This one obviously will take care of it. This is what I'm gonna use now. This is the last one, big one. Okay, let's go in. Okay, that is really a good job. It did a good job. You can see how good it looks. I believe this one is a good size enough to fit in, but let me try it first. Let me try it. Yep, it does. Alright guys, so I think I'm ready to get started, and I'll start with installing this. Let me get everything ready. Okay, let's start by this. Installing this one. Nice. Okay, I'm just gonna use my manual screwdriver to drive this one on. So when you do this, just make sure you don't close your door, otherwise it might lock you out momentarily. So keep this door open all the way. Does it work? Until when you install everything. So that's done. Quick. Next I'm going to install this one. So gently, make sure it goes through nicely. And the good thing about this bottom one, it can slide up to go where it's supposed to go. Can you see? Looks very nice. See guys? So from the top going down, looking very nice. Then I'll come in the back here and install the other one. So let's do that. Get my screws ready. Okay. So this one goes in like this. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. Looking good. Push this one in carefully. Let my screws go in. So just retract a little bit, just make sure that my screws are going inside. Just make sure you line up, make sure it's lined up nicely with the other side. You can adjust until it lines up perfectly well. Don't tighten all the way up until when you're sure. Okay, let's see. It does its job. Does its job very well. I think then the other side looks very lined up. So I just need a little bit of. Actually, the alignment is perfect. It's perfect. So there's only one more step left to secure the bottom one, but just to make sure this one works. You can see that's the job. So let's secure the bottom part of this right here where I was drilling. I'm gonna need this too. Just push this one in, then find that. This one will secure everything perfectly well. Not too much tie, just enough. And then I can attach this. See? Looks very nice. Then I can tighten this one. I think it's lined up perfectly well with the other top one. Can tighten this one. Since it looks like it's well situated now. Perfect. So it's all well installed, inside and outside. Looks very nice. So let's try to close it and see if we can come out. Yep, there you go. And how about from outside? Look. Find some paint in the other parts. So there's one more thing that I'm gonna do. I'm going to replace this part here. So this one here needs to go. This one will need to go, but I don't have the size that matches this part. So I'll find another one that matches this perfectly, but let me replace this one real quick. Perfect. That's how it looks now. Nicely done. Let's now try this one last time. Alright guys, this is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.